So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the second step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SFC space / scan now, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And this should now fix your problem.